As you know, SamMobile has pretty much become the home of all things One UI 4 since the beta and now down to the official release of the final OTA update for eligible devices. And in this case, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 now gets the final stable release of One UI 4 with Android 12. But just how stable is it? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick look at the official build of One UI 4 for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Quick disclaimer, rather than going through a complete overview of One UI 4 on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we're just going to get out there and say that after testing and using it, the final build is pretty much no different to the final build we covered on the Galaxy S21, which if you want a more detailed overview of the core features of One UI 4 and additional extras, we highly recommend taking the time to watch that. What we're going to focus on is a quick look at the core features as a reminder to you, our audience, and show you how it's working on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, but also some of the bugs some people have been experiencing with this stable update and if it's been the same for us. With that out of the way, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder of the core features that represent One UI 4 with Android 12. Starting with color theme with Material U when it comes to customizing via the wallpaper that you select. New privacy control and visibility over your camera, microphone location, and also the clipboard. Also the new home screen interaction backed with the new stacked widgets layout, the new camera UI refinements and usability of the photos and videos as well as in the gallery, a more streamlined device care section with the addition of RAM Plus as a core feature, and finally the addition of a revamped accessibility options with features like floating icons and adding the extra dim feature in the drop-down quick settings menu as well. One UI 4 is here in its full glory and pretty much like we said, it's no different to what we've been showcasing from all the beta releases down to the final OTA, which we showcased on the Galaxy S21. Heck, even the illustrious overstretch effect when reaching the end of scrolling at certain apps and menus makes it here in the final build on the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The main question here is not what features are here or not, but more how stable the experience has been so far. We recently posted an article on SamMobile.com, which we highly recommend you check out. But the general quick consensus is that some users have been experiencing some bugs on their Flip 3 and Fold 3 when it comes to One UI 4. This can range from the user reporting their device entering into recovery mode after the update, some screen flickering, UI slowdown when using and navigating, and also features like the dual messenger feature not working properly. Additionally, there are things as far as users not being able to take screenshots or even use video streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, images being auto-deleted in the gallery, displays being stuck at 60 Hz, and or bad audio quality. Even one user also reported that the camera app just stopped working after the update. It's even been reported that Samsung have stopped the rollout of One UI 4 on the Flip 3 and the Fold 3 until these critical bugs have been fixed. Well, at least in South Korea. Have we so far run into any of these issues? Well, no, we haven't. Maybe we've just been fortunate with our Flip 3, but overall so far everything looks and feels very stable. What we want to know and ask is, if you are using the official One UI 4 on your Flip 3 and your Fold 3, has your experience been as smooth as ours, or have you unfortunately ran into a buggy experience? Let us know in the comment section below. For all the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for all the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and we will see you next time.